This is the T93 3-in-1 smartwatch. It's an amazing, best speaker on the market smartwatch, and I really mean that. You're going to hear it in a second. And it's got built-in Bluetooth tethered earbuds that you can put in your ears, hear everything in TWS stereo, and it's got a subdued watch face that will go into when it times out, and you can loop it back into its main face if you touch it. If you twist it when it's completely black, it'll come back in. It's a lot of fun. When you swipe down, you get all these different controls. You get a second page here for brightness, do not disturb, even locking the watch if you want to. When you slide this way, you get into the really cool stuff. Here's the music player. It's set for watch music. 4 gigabytes of storage on this for all the music in your library. Or you can set it up mobile music and stream whatever's playing on your phone through the watch. And how does it sound? Let's take a listen. Here it is. And it gets really loud. I'm not kidding. It's amazing. Very, very nice. And, of course, you can stream it all to the earbuds, and they are crisp and clear. They're the best buds I've heard with a watch as well. A lot going for it on this one. You also have a voice recorder. You come in here, and, I mean, you really can't tell the difference. It's like those Memorex commercials of the old days. Hi, everybody. We are reviewing the T93 smartwatch. I stop it. I give it a moment. I switch it over. I can play it back for you.
Hi, everybody. We are reviewing the T93 smartwatch.
Okay. Nice, huh? A lot of other things. Here's the most recent apps you've played. Date and time are in here. And, of course, notifications sent from your phone if you have any. When you slide this way, you're getting into over, 120 some odd different activities. And they're all in here. Walking, running, all the standard stuff are there. But you got some really interesting stuff. You can actually track your calories while you're gaming. That's interesting. It goes on and on, on and on and on, and we'll just leave it at that. You can show GPS trajectory. There's no GPS in the watch, but when you're tethered to your phone, you've got that activity report. You got heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure, and guys, after you get past steps and a breathing exercise thing and last night's sleep time, which is also on here, you have blood sugar. That's the glucose, blood glucose. Now, we're not sure about the accuracy on this one, but it is built into the watch, and that's something brand new. So if you're into that, you may want to check this out, but definitely compare it with your fingerprint pricking thing and make sure that the values are accurate before you start really working with it. You got Bluetooth calling, dialing, call records, messaging. You've got your contacts, got weather, Fahrenheit or centigrade. All that's reported on the watch. Here's your Siri or Google. You've got GPS lands. It gives you the exact reading of where you are on planet Earth at the moment in GPS coordinates. You got a stopwatch. You've got where to go. You've got games in here as well. You got WeChat, Facebook, all kinds of other streaming stuff. You got a jigsaw puzzle, and you got Tetris on this one. It's a really fun watch. Honest to goodness, this is a keeper. You got multiple watch faces that you can switch between and download from the app, even complications on here that you can activate directly from the face itself. It is the T93 solid build, instant record when you press and hold up here if you've got it programmed for that, or you have voice report and it will pressing and hold speak the time of day to you. The T93, it's available now. Check it out.